In this video, we are going to discuss about the email sync issue in the Freshsales platform. So, email sync issue is usually because of few basic things that a person usually skips while identifying this issue. Number one is IMapping. So, if your IMAP record or SMT records are missing from your email, so that is one thing where your email won't be sent because you don't have those records, which is necessary to send from one domain to another. So the other thing, if your records are fine and everything is fine, and how you guys can set up those records are part of your domain. If you're hosting it on the Cloudflare, you have to add the Freshsales SMT records in the uh, Cloudflare, or maybe if you're using any other platform that could be AWS, so you have to add it over there. Other than that, what you guys are missing out is that if your Gmail account is not linked to it, so make sure that your account is linked to it and your account is verified. Fresh sales usually don't send you any sort of email or any sort of notification, even when it disconnects your, the account that is linked with your CRM that is gonna be used for the email sending process. The reason is that if you change your password or if you have log in your Google account, if you're, for example, if you're using the Google account with the CRM platform and you have changed your password, so the CRM platform is not going to let you know that it has disconnected your Gmail, that was your Gmail account that was attached with the CRM platform is being disconnected. And the third thing is that if you have logged in into multiple devices or computer systems, so there can be sometimes 24 hours lag because there are certain token limit on the IMAP for the simple Gmail account. But if you're using custom domains, you might don't have any token limitations. But if you're using the Gmail account, there is, I guess, 15 to 30 token that you guys can consume per day. And if you have already consumed it, then you have to wait for the next 24 hours to fill it the gap back in. So this is pretty much it for the email settings and email sign problem. If you guys fix that up, you'll be able to fix this issue pretty easily. I hope you find this video helpful. Take care. Bye bye.